Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to revise chapter 1. So all the students, open your book, chapter 1. Okay. So dear students, chapter first is Introduction to IPO. Dear students, in this chapter we will learn about introduction to IPO. Okay, so look at the paragraph. Students, a computer is a smart machine. It follows the commands given by a user. A computer has 4 main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Each part of a computer performs different functions. Okay, dear students, here are some pictures. You have to match the following parts of a computer with their correct function. Okay, here you can see. Let's hear the sound you play on the computer. Dear students, this you have to match with this box. Second is prints the information onto a sheet. Dear students, you have to match this statement from this device, that is printer. Now third statement is control the other parts of a computer. Dear student, this statement you have to match from the CPU. And the fourth statement is shows the work and result. This statement you have to match with monitor. Dear students, this device is known as printer. This is a speaker and this is a monitor and this is a CPU. Okay, dear students, working of a computer works in 3 steps. First is input, processing, output. This is known as the IPO cycle. Input, processing and output. Okay students, now come to the next page. Dear students, step first is input. The words, numbers are simple entered in a computer are called data. Students, when you enter any data like words, numbers or symbols in a computer, that are called data. Okay, the order given to a computer are known as instruction. Dear students, when you give any order to a computer, that's are known as instruction. Input is the data and instruction given to the computer, and you can enter data and instruction into a computer through input device like keyboard, mouse and microphone. Dear students, this is the input device: keyboard, mouse and microphone. Now come to the second step, that is processing. It is the action of converting the input into meaningful information or result. The process of converting input into output is done by a processing device. Dear students, when we will give input to our computer, then our CPU process on it, and then after gives us result. A CPU is a computer's only processing device. Means, dear students, a CPU is a computer's only processing device. Step 3 is output. After processing, the computer gives the result. Dear students, when you enter input, the computer process on it, and then after that gives result. This result is called output. Okay, the output is given on monitor, speaker and printer. So dear students, monitor, speaker and printer are known as output devices. Okay, there are many activities in our day-to-day life which also follow the IPO cycle. Let us have a look at some example. Okay, dear students, look here. This is the example of IPO. Means input, processing, output. When you washes your clothes, then first of all you gives input in your washing machine, then washing machine process on it, and then washing machine gives output. Like this. Second example is to make a glass of fresh juice. We gives input, then the juicer will process on it, and then after that will give a result as juice. Dear students, जब हम वॉशिंग मशीन में क्लॉथ्स डालते हैं तो वो इनपुट होता है, फिर जब वॉशिंग मशीन रन करती है तो वो क्या होता है, प्रोसेसिंग, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट विल गिव अस रिजल्ट एज क्लीन क्लॉथ्स. Okay, dear students, a computer's hard disk store the input and output before and after processing. Now dear students, come to the next page. Our next page is, so in the IPO cycle, every data or instruction is input and every action is a process, and the result of every action is output. Okay, dear students, here you can see. Let's review. Pick the correct option. First question is, a device that is used to enter data is called input device. You have to take option number B, input device. And second question is, the result of every action is called the result of every action is called output. You have to tick on option number A. Then question number 3 is, this is not an output device. So dear students, mouse is not an output device. Question number 4, a computer works on IPO cycle. As you all know, IPO is stand for input, process and output. Okay students. Now our next topic is advantage of a computer. Dear students, first advantage is speed. A computer can perform any calculation at a very high speed. Dear students, as you all know, a computer can perform any calculation at a very high speed in a nanosecond. Computer can calculate millions, billions calculation in a nanosecond. And accuracy, a computer never makes mistakes. It always gives correct result. Mistakes are generally done by the user. Dear students, as you all know, computer never makes mistakes. It always gives correct result. Mistakes are generally done by the users. हमारा कंप्यूटर कभी भी गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं देता है. जनरली यूजर्स के द्वारा मिस्टेक्स हो जाती हैं. When you will give wrong input, then the computer will gives you wrong output. Okay. Now versatility. Computer can efficiently perform a variety of tasks. For example, it can play music, calculate, share information and much more. Storage capacity. A computer has a huge storage capacity. It can store a large amount of data. This data can be used anytime, whenever you want. Means, dear students, a computer has a huge storage capacity and it can store a large amount of data, and this data can be used anytime when you want. Diligence. A computer does not get tired. Dear students, our computer never get tired. It can work for long hours without needing any break. Our computer never get tired. It can work for long hours without needing any break. Okay. And then the multitasking. A computer can perform multiple tasks at the same time. For example, it can play music while you are typing, while you are reading, while you are surfing on the web. Okay students, bye bye.